Okay, I was mute for so long. Okay, I'll explain again. Vibha, I'm audible now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what I was telling is, in this report, you can see uh,
Content preparations.
like a particular date you have selected, say 11th. Okay, so suppose you want to see today's report. So you can see what is the date. You will filter the date. You will get to subject name, the teacher name, what was the start time, end time. What was now these fields teacher would fill like topic taught, teaching aid used, and the procedure and methodology. So this is how you will get this report. So similarly, Vibha, can you mute
Yes,
all?
sir. One sec. Sir, I think you're also muted.
So now this is report. Say you select third B. Then in third B, say from 1st to 15th, you want to know complete report. So you will get this complete report for this 15 days. Okay. So similarly, then you want say a teacher wise report. Then you can select a particular teacher and you would get a report of that particular teacher for whatever the days you have defined. So what she has taught for different classes and everything, you will get this report. So this is what this is all about. Means you would get now considering the lockdown situation, this would be of great importance because we don't know. Normally we do it physically, but in now current scenario, we don't know what is being done. So you can make use of this, maximum use of this module. So yes, Naviba, you can take over.
Okay.
So you can start with mobile app first. How teachers
Yes, sir.
is going to make entry. Any doubt till now? You can ask anyone. If you have any doubt, you can ask.
Okay. So if no doubts, then how the teacher is going to submit her log? So the teacher will go to her Top School app. She'll log in with her username, password, or mobile number. After that, there's some tab called as log sheet. So I have two options: either I submit log sheet and view log sheet. So I can view the log sheet that I have previously submitted, or I can submit. Let's say I want to submit for today's class. So I'll see how which lectures I had today, and I can click on it. Say in morning.
इसमें क्या होगा कि ऑटोमेटिकली वो टाइम टेबल जो भी अपन ने क्रिएट किया है वो यहाँ पे दिखेगा. कैन यू जस्ट टेक टू द पीछे वाला स्क्रीन अगेन, बैक स्क्रीन. So here by default every day's timetable would be shown here. So whatever you have created the timetable, तो वो हर दिन का timetable यहाँ पे दिखेगा टीचर्स को. ठीक है, fine. Proceed. So once
So,
you click on that, okay.
so let's see what's the first topic I covered today. So maybe chapter 1, solar system.
तो वहाँ पे दिख रहा है सब्जेक्ट SST है. तो SST
Division,
and
class and division.
what was the topic taught?
So what teacher aid, let's say use charts maybe. And procedure methodology, we can have online teaching or online class. Similarly, for the next lecture, what I did. Videos. Online class. In that way, I can submit. Okay.
Both you might would have to submit, or I think
Yes, sir.
both
Both. I did
you have
both.
done.
Yeah.
Okay. ठीक.
Okay. Okay. So in that way, teachers have to submit their log sheet. They can also view their log sheet which they have submitted. Now I can see the log sheet that I have submitted for that
Okay.
particular day. Let's say if I'm doing some other day, I want to check what I did at that particular day. So I can select the date and see what I did previously as well.
Okay, and also previous log also you can upload it. Previous log also can be updated, right? Suppose
Yes,
now,
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now let's say I want to upload for some other day. I
say
forgot to upload.
say our first you want to upload first. Okay, so automatically it would take to that this.
Yeah.
Say our first. Okay,
So what I had on first.
okay, fine. So this is how teacher would all the teachers can. So this both option is there through mobile app also they can do it, and through web login also teachers can fill this. Okay, you can show web login as well. Web login how teachers are going to fill.
Yeah. Then web login.
That's Aishwarya Admin. The login go through admin.
Similarly, as we have in our app, we also have in a web login called as log sheet. So over here in log sheet, I can see my timetable, what I have throughout the week. Now let's say I want to enter for one of any of my particular lecture. So you can just click on it. Over here again, I get an option of selecting the date, and I can see if I have already submitted through my app. I can see what I have submitted for that particular day. Let's say I have not entered for any other particular day. I'll select that, and again I can enter the log from here. Top chapter 3.
Okay, so this is how teachers is going to fill this their logs through their login, through the web login as well as through their mobile app. So any queries on this? How any queries how teachers are going to fill these logs?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, now we will go to admin part where you can download all these reports, which we showed, which we have shown you at the beginning. So yes, continue.
So in the reports module tab, we have staff log.
Es- Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Log sheet is already added in the mobile app.
Yes, it's already there.
It is already there, no? Okay, thank you.
Actually, it was
So,
added long back. It's almost 1 year long old module, but that time we not a lot of focus was not there on this. But this now it could be of good use.
Okay, thank you, thank you.
okay. So now as an admin, if you want to check the reports, so first you have to click on the report tab. Then we have a tab of staff log. Okay. So in staff log, we have three options. That is, we can see report day wise, staff wise, or month wise. So first, let's say we want to say select day wise. So let's select the class which I want to see.
Here you can select all the classes at the time. If you
Yes.
want a complete report, you can select all the classes. So log of all the classes you would get for today.
You can select all classes, and also you can export to Excel. So you can have an Excel sheet of your log. Similarly, you can print it as well. So over here, you can also change the dates now in case if you want to see it for a week or so instead of one particular day. You can select another start date and end date, and you can see the logs for your whole week as well.
Okay, so you get all this subject, teacher name, and timing and everything. You get this. Okay.
So after that is staff wise log. Now, if you want to check for a particular teacher what they taught throughout till now, so you can select the teacher. You can then you'll able to see how much which classes they are currently teaching. Select all and show report.
So here you
currently
can,
again we are seeing it only for a particular day. Similarly, again you can export it to Excel or print it as well. Or if you want to see for that particular teacher what they taught throughout the week, you can change the start date, and then you can see what they had throughout the whole week. So in that way you can track the teaching as well. So how much, which parts they have covered, which how many chapters they have covered, what points in that chapters, what subsections they have covered. So in that way, all the coordinators or principal would be able to do it. Similarly, we have one more thing called as month-wise log. Now you can select one particular month if you want to see it for the whole month what was taught. You can select a month-wise log. So in month-wise log, we are able to see which teachers are submitted their daily logs and when. So when it's green, that means the teacher has submitted it for that particular day. When it's red, that means that those teachers have not yet submitted for that particular day. So in that way, you can also see which teachers have actively using the log sheet and which days they have not submitted the log sheet for.
so if they're not updated, we can ask them to update it that way. Okay. So this is all about staff log module. If any queries, you can ask us. Yes, any part you
I
want?
think,
Yeah.
no sir,
Yes.
he's mute. I think he's trying to speak. Teachers, if you are mute, you can unmute yourself and speak.
It is really a substitute for our daily lesson plan.
Yes, absolutely. Yeah, right. So the teachers can maintain, you can maintain all your log in digital format, and you can directly take a print of this and you can just file it. So this COVID would help us getting a lot of new things. New technology adoption would become easier. Yes. I think we are not. Anything is not. This is it, no? About this, Viva.
Yes, sir. That's it. That's it
Okay.
about the staff.
It's very simple. Nothing major. This something difficult, something straightforward to use, and it's already available for all the schools. It's already available on Picture app also, and on your web login and admin login as well. You can send you this video, so you can forward this to your teachers. If how to give them an instruction how to add this session. So if those schools who are not using timetable module, and if your timetable is not defined, then you can define your timetable before this. If your timetable is not defined, you need to define a timetable. But those schools are already using online timetable module. Those their online timetable is defined. So for them, they don't have to define timetable. But schools whose timetable is not defined, you would have to define the timetable. Okay. Yes. Any queries? Anything?
हेलो, हाँ दीपेश सर।
Yes, sir.
सर एक क्वेश्चन है।
हाँ.
सर हम जैसे टीच में जाकर हम जो लेसन प्लान बनाते हैं,
हाँ.
डेली हम जैसे सबमिट करते हैं डेट वाइज, तो
Okay.
वहाँ का डाटा यूज करके एंटर नहीं कर सकते क्या, या वहाँ का डाटा डायरेक्टली कॉपी नहीं हो सकता है? क्योंकि ये 2 बार हो रहा है फिर से वहाँ
देखो अभी
भी
ये जो
फिलअप
है
कर रहे
ना,
हैं और यहाँ पर भी
ये
हम कर रहे हैं।
वो जो है ना, LMS इज ऑफलाइन काइंड ऑफ थिंग है ना। LMS इज ऑफलाइन, कि ऑफलाइन आपने क्या सिखाया, मीन ऑफलाइन, वो ऑफलाइन पार्ट हुआ।
ओके
अगर ये ऑनलाइन क्लासेस आप लेते हो इन केस,
ओके
तो ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में क्या हुआ, क्या सिखाया, तो वो आप यहाँ पे कर सकते हो। और LMS भी अगर आप सपोज जो जूनियर जूनियर है ना, लोअर लोअर क्लासेस है, तो उसका आप अगर ये कंटेंट अगर आप अपलोड करते हो, तो आप शॉर्ट में लिख सकते हो ना कि आज इसका आपने कंटेंट अपलोड किया वहां पे LMS में। ऐसा ऑटोमेटिकली नहीं आएगा ये, ये करना पड़ेगा
अच्छा
मैन्युअली।
अच्छा, ओके सर, थैंक यू। यस
यस।
यस यस।
एंड बिसाइड्स दिस, किसी को और कुछ क्वेरीज है तो यू कैन आस्क अस। एनी अदर क्वेरीज you can ask.
Okay, sir. Now we are going to with the Zoom apps for online classes. Okay. So
Okay.
as compared to Zoom and everything, okay, collinear में इसे use करना है क्या?
क्या 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 बोले?
मतलब
Zoom?
ये भी use करना है और Zoom भी use करना है, ये सिर्फ?
नहीं नहीं नहीं,
सर
देखो, ये क्या है कि Zoom पे आपने ऑनलाइन सेशन लिया, बराबर? ओके।
yes 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 yes.
जैसे आप प्रिंसिपल हो स्कूल के, बराबर? तो
Okay. हाँ
तो एज अ प्रिंसिपल या एज अ डायरेक्टर आपको अभी क्या क्या सिखाया टीचर्स ने, या क्या क्या हुआ, आपको नहीं पता ना। आपको भी हर टीचर का रिपोर्ट, क्या हुआ, कितना सिलेबस
yes
कवर किया, क्या किया, तो वो आपको
हाँ
नहीं पता
हाँ हाँ
चलेगा। तो
yes
इसके
yes
थ्रू
yes
अगर टीचर वो डेटा भरेंगे उनके ऐप के थ्रू, तो आपको पूरा
okay
रिपोर्ट मिल जाएगा ना कि ये कवर हुआ, ये पार्ट कवर हुआ। तो जो आप
okay
पहले
okay
नॉर्मली आप क्या करते थे कि आप टीचर्स मैन्युअली भरते थे लॉग बुक,
right right right.
ये सिखाया आज, ये सिखाया, ये हुआ। तो वही अभी अपने ये डिजिटल फॉर्मेट में किया है।
डिजिटल फॉर्मेट में ओके। जो लॉग बुक ये डिजिटल फॉर्मेट में एक बेसिक कंसेप्ट आपकी वही है कि लॉग बुक डिजिटल फॉर्मेट में, और क्या है इसमें समझो?
इसमें तो वही है, ये जो पार्ट है उसमें वही है। अभी आप
ओके।
कैन यू टेल मी योर स्कूल नेम सर?
ब्रिलियंट इंग्लिश स्कूल सर, सुनील मगर सर ने मुझे बोला
हाँ,
था,
मगर सर का,
तो
अच्छा
उनको
अच्छा।
रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा हूँ, राम बोर्डे। ओके,
ओके।
मैं टेक्निकल
हमारे,
देख रहा हूँ उनका।
अच्छा आप तो काफी, क्योंकि हमारे काफी सेशंस हुए हैं। आई डोंट नो व्हिच ऑल सेशंस यू हैव अटेंडेड।
यस।
देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स
नहीं,
हमने
मैंने
जो
इसके पहले
रिपीट।
नहीं किया है सर, उन्होंने मुझे फर्स्ट टाइम सेंड किया है, ये मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम अभी से ये कर रहा हूँ, मैं अटेंड कर रहा हूँ इसीलिए।
ओके, तो आप क्या करो, आप चाहिए तो आपके लिए एक अलग से सेशन रखवा दो, क्योंकि लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स है इसमें। आपको ऑनलाइन सेशन
ओके
लेना
ओके
है, क्विजेस लेना है, तो वो सब आप इसके थ्रू कर सकते हो। तो यू
ओके
हैव
ओके ओके
सेशन फॉर दैट, है ना? ऐसा।
ओके 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 सर।
थैंक यू। यस, किसी को और कुछ, एनी अदर क्वेरीज पर्टेनिंग टू एनी टॉपिक यू कैन आस्क। Do we have to fill this manually? It is automated with timetable. देखो, ये टाइम टेबल जो है वो आपका ऑटोमेटिकली आएगा। ये जो देखो इसमें कितने कॉलम्स है। अभी ये टीचर ने क्या पूछा है कि ऑटोमेटेड है या कैसा है, तो ये जो पार्ट है स्टार्टिंग का, कि पीरियड, सब्जेक्ट, टाइम, ये सब ऑटोमेटिकली आएगा। लेकिन क्या सिखाया आपने, क्या टीचिंग एड यूज किया और क्या मेथोडोलॉजी, ये आपको भरना पड़ेगा टीचर्स को। तो वो आपको समझेगा। सॉफ्टवेयर को ये ऑटोमेटिकली नहीं समझेगा ना कि आज क्या सिखाया, कैसे क्या हुआ, ऐसा। तो ये आपको मैन्युअली टीचर्स को भरना है वहां पे लॉग के थ्रू। ओके, किसी को और कुछ, एनी अदर क्वेरी, एनी पर्टेनिंग टू एनी अदर टॉपिक यू कैन आस्क। ओके, वन one more thing. There's one we have added तो assignment module का अपना last time session हुआ था. तो विभा
Yes, sir.
your top school update किया हुआ आपने? If not update it, and can you share your screen top school? Or give I'll share my screen.
Okay.
I'll share my
One
screen.
sec. Stop now share.
So you can see my mobile screen, and okay. So today we have released a new update for Top School Teacher app. तो यहाँ पे क्या बोल रहा था मैं?
Assignment.
हाँ, असाइनमेंट में. सो असाइनमेंट में पहले सिर्फ क्रिएट असाइनमेंट का ऑप्शन था टीचर ऐप में. सो नाउ वी हैव गिवन व्यू असाइनमेंट आल्सो. तो आप क्रिएट तो कर ही सकते थे पहले भी. तो जैसे यहाँ पे क्लास सिलेक्ट किया, मैं एक बार दिखा देता हूँ शॉर्ट में. क्लास सिलेक्ट किया, सब्जेक्ट सिलेक्ट किया, डेट सिलेक्ट किया, फिर टेस्ट नेम डाला, जो भी आपको जैसे मैप्स, और चूज फाइल करेंगे अपन, चूज फाइल फ्रॉम गैलरी. तो यहाँ पे जो भी है अपन इधर कोई भी फाइल अपन डायरेक्टली असाइन करके क्रिएट असाइनमेंट कर सकते हैं. तो ये स्टूडेंट को जाएगा, स्टूडेंट वहां से फिल करेगा स्टूडेंट के लॉगिन से, वो सब असाइनमेंट सबमिट कर सकता है. और फिर अपन यहाँ पे व्यू करेंगे जो जो स्टूडेंट ने फिल किया है. तो यहाँ पे अपने को दिखेगा कि जैसे जो जो स्टूडेंट ने फिल किया है, जिसने अगर वो फिल किया तो वहां पे वो सिंबल आएगा. ये देखो यहाँ पे ये सिंबल आ रहा है कि अटैचमेंट का. तो वो अपन डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं आप, एंड उसको ओपन हो जाएगा ये वैसे. तो वैसे जो भी है जैसे, और आप इधर कमेंट डाल सकते हो, गुड वर्क या जो भी है दिस वे. सो okay, so this is how means now you can also track check the assignment through this mobile app. तो यहाँ से ऐसे ओपन किया आपने, तो जो भी स्टूडेंट ने सबमिट किया है, अभी ये वर्षा ने सबमिट किया है, उसका अटैचमेंट दिखा. अभी ये स्टूडेंट नीचे जो स्टूडेंट है उन्होंने अभी तक कुछ सबमिट नहीं किया, इसलिए यहाँ पे अटैचमेंट का सिंबल नहीं दिख रहा. और यहाँ पे आप रिमार्क दे सकते हो, गुड वर्क, और सबमिट कर दिया. ठीक है, तो ये ऐसे आप कर सकते हो. तो दिस इज वन न्यू अपडेट. और यस, और कुछ क्वेरी है तो पूछो आप. एनीथिंग, एनी अदर क्वेरी यू कैन आस्क.
एक्सक्यूज मी दीपेश सर.
यस सर.
हाँ दिनेश सर बोल रहा हूँ सर. अब यूनिट टेस्ट लेना है, अब हमें फिर असाइनमेंट में ही जाकर वो करना पड़ेगा या क्वेश्चन बैंक से हम कर सकते हैं?
आपको क्या करना है? यूनिट टेस्ट लेना है,
यूनिट टेस्ट.
एमसीक्यू.
हाँ हाँ.
तो उसके लिए एलएमएस
नहीं नहीं, इसमें एक दो इसमें के ये भी रहेंगे सर, थ्योरेटिकल.
डिस्क्रिप्टिव भी.
हाँ डिस्क्रिप्टिव भी रहेंगे.
डिस्क्रिप्टिव कैसे लोगे आप?
नहीं
आई डोंट नो. डिस्क्रिप्टिव अभी जैसे डिस्क्रिप्टिव लोगे आप, आपने दिया क्वेश्चन पेपर दिया, बराबर, तो आप असाइनमेंट से भेज सकते हो, लेकिन वो स्टूडेंट आप मॉनिटर कैसे करोगे उनको?
नहीं वही पूछना है सर कि एमसीक्यूज ही ऑप्शन
है
है.
क्या सर्विस अवेलेबल है क्या, ऐसे पूछ रहे हो सर?
नहीं देखो, एमसीक्यू बेस्ड तो है इसमें सर्विस. तो एमसीक्यू बेस्ड सेशन लेना वो तो है पॉसिबल इसमें, बट इसके मॉनिटर कैसे करोगे आप? असाइनमेंट अगर आपको क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स लेने, तो वो मॉनिटर नहीं हो पाएगा ना.
ओके
ओके ओके ओके, राइट.
ओके ओके. यस थैंक यू सर. यस.
We क्या एक क्वेश्चन आया, इन एलएमएस which different reports are
reports we have.
इन मैडम आपका क्या क्वेरी है? नीता मैडम का, नीता माने मैडम, इन एलएमएस which different reports are there, how to get those reports? नीता मैडम.
Yes, sir.
हा काय क्वेरी आपली?
सर LMS चे डिफरंट रिपोर्ट्स आहेत
हा
असेसमेंटचे, जे क्वीजचा रिपोर्ट जो आहे त्याचे स्कोर
आवाज येत नाही क्लिअर तुझा.
An assignment made through the teacher's app. Okay, sorry. Neeta ma'am, you are asking about which reports we have in our learning management system. Is that it, or म्हणजे अजून काही आहे
येस
specifically?
अबाउट
तुमचा आवाज तुटतो actually ma'am.
Hello.
हा बोला.
About
आता आवाज
quiz
आला.
and assignment checking. About quiz and assignment checking. Where we
Okay.
will,
Okay. Okay.
that means score of quiz,
Okay. So
whichever report.
okay. So for LMS we have different reports. So which reports we do have? So as a teacher, we have introduced
Yes.
something called as quiz reports.
You can
So-
share your screen and show.
Okay, my screen's not shared. Okay, 1 minute.
For teacher side even as well as for principal want to check.
Okay, if principal also want to check. So quiz reports currently we have given for the teachers end. There is also going to be a quiz report in the admin portal also soon. It's working still. We are working on it. So currently for teachers, now let's say as a teacher, I want to check the quiz report. Okay, log out from this itself. So in teachers, we have a new tab called as quiz report. Okay. So in quiz report, she can select, let's say, I'm selecting one. I can select the quiz. And then I'll be able to see the report. So I can see what was the result, what was the start time, end time, how much marks I got in that, how much marks the student got. Now, if I want to check in detail, I can click on detail and I'll be able to see which answer they selected and what was the correct answer. So I can go through detail of that child's quiz, and below I can see how much they totally scored as well. So in that way we have quiz reports. Now for you want to take an assignment or you want to check for assignment or lesson. So for that there are two things. So the very first is that in LMS we have something called as gradebook. Whenever you open your normally whenever you open your LMS, you'll be on your courses page. So in courses page we have something called as gradebook. So in front of every course we have a view tab. When you click on it, you'll be able to see how many students have attempted. Currently I can just see one. Now if I want to check out the detail for that particular student, when I click on details, I'll be able to see how much they have completed. Currently they have just completed the lesson, so they have not yet attempted the quiz or assignment, so that's why it's blank. So in that way you can check out for one particular student for every course. Or let's say you want to do it for assignments, then you can directly go to assignments, the assignments tab in LearnPress, and you can just click on view. In front of the assignment you can click on view. So I think this is an old assignment, maybe due to which. So in that way currently we have quiz report, we have grade book, and assignments. We don't have like a proper report of it, but when as you are going to evaluate each and every assignment as a teacher, you know which marks are given to whom. If not, you can go to the grade book and check by student. But in grade book also we have one more option, that in case if you don't want to go one by one for all the students, when you in gradebook, when you click on view, we have an option called as export to CSV, that is export to Excel. When you click on it, an Excel sheet will be downloaded, which will have the details of all the students' progress. So that is one report. There's quiz report and assignments. You can as and when you'll give marks, you'll know the list of students as you're going to go ahead with it.
Okay, Miss. Ma'am, thank
Can assignment created through Teachers app be added to the course in LMS? Okay, Rajeshi ma'am, assignment in ERP and assignment in LMS are different currently.
No, it is different.
Yes, okay.
It is different.
You have
Okay.
told to
So,
type from top school, teachers top school, Prism, from mobile.
Okay.
From mobile.
I didn't understand your question, ma'am. Can you please repeat it?
Hello.
Hmm.
Ma'am, PDF file from mobile app, that is teachers app.
Okay.
Can we upload a PDF file, and what is the size of that?
PDF file in assignment. Okay,
Yes.
you want to upload a PDF file in assignment. We don't have a restriction. I don't know. We don't have any as such restriction for the ERP assignment for the PDF file. But not like if we keep it, and generally it is not more than 10 MB. A PDF
Okay.
file is already small in size, so it's max to max 6 or 7 MB, even if it's 30 pages or so.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Yeah, but you can upload a PDF file in assignment as attachment, if
Oh.
that was your question.
Okay, thank you.
I think, yeah, Rajeshi ma'am, we have answered your question, I think. Any
yes,
other
yes.
doubt? Yeah.
मैम सॉरी टू डिस्टर्ब यू, मैंने प्रीवियस सेशन है ना अटेंड नहीं किए हैं. ओके, तो
Okay.
मैं आपको एक जस्ट कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ, आप सिर्फ मुझे यस नो में जवाब दे दीजिए. सो आई अंडरस्टैंड एवरीथिंग अबाउट दिस. ओके, सो जैसे कि है ना अभी आप कौन कौन सी सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करें. असाइनमेंट आई अंडरस्टैंड. ओके, टाइम टेबल आई आल्सो अंडरस्टैंड. ओके, लॉग जनरेट होता है वो भी. सो ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के लिए टाइम टेबल. ओके, सो ये भी आपने किया है.
Yes. Yes, we do have it. For online classes, you can integrate your links to your teacher's profile and you can set a timetable, which will be visible
वीडियो सर्विसेज दे रहे हो.
either side.
यस मैम,
उसका एक वीडियो
I
दिखा.
didn't understand.
हाँ, मैं वही अभी बोल रही हूँ. मैं वीडियो, I'll just show you a video about it, so you might get a better clarity about it.
If anyone has any other
Okay,
queries, you can ask us. किसी को कुछ queries हो.
ओके ओके, और मैम जैसे कि क्वेश्चन बैंक भी है इसमें, मतलब कुछ
Yes, we
टॉपिक
do have a
रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन
question
बैंक
bank.
होती है. यस,
No,
ओके
not created. You can create a question bank. Your teachers can create.
ओके ओके वी ओके
Yeah,
ओके
yeah.
ओके
Teachers have to create a question bank. It's not readily available question bank.
ओके ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम.
Okay. So for online teaching, as you were asking, so once you
हाँ.
once the admin has integrated, now if you're going to use Zoom, so your Zoom personal meeting
Yes.
IDs need to be integrated to your teacher's profile in our system.
Okay, right.
And once you
Okay.
have set a timetable for it, whenever the teacher will go into her login in her timetable,
Okay.
she'll be able
हाँ.
to see which classes she has, what time she has, and she just has to click on start class, and it will redirect her to Zoom
Okay.
or Meet, whichever you are going to
Okay.
decide to use. Similar, same way,
Okay.
students will also have a timetable according to their class. Let's say if you're directly going
Okay.
to students login.
In a student login.
Yeah, so in
Okay,
students
okay.
also, for their class, whichever timetable is set will be visible for them. Let's say now we're
Okay.
going to top
Yes,
school
yes,
student
sir.
tab. So they'll have a tab called as join class.
Okay, yes, yes, yes. Okay, I understand. Okay.
And we'll
Thank
redirect
you,
them
thank
to
you so
Zoom or
much.
Meet. Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Anyone, any other queries?
Hello.
Yes.
We are adding one instruction page in our lesson. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I got that
Yeah,
query
you.
in the morning. Yeah.
Huh.
So, lesson, what's happening, ma'am? Whenever you are using a PDF viewer, you are able to click on it and it's getting redirected.
Yeah.
But when you are embedding it in our like LMS system, we are considering it. We are not keeping it as a downloadable content, right? PDF is not downloadable.
Yeah.
So they are not able to click and redirect. So for
Yes.
them, what they have to do is they have to insert link.
No, link is only given there.
No. It's inside the PDF. We have to insert that link inside our text box.
Yeah. No, already the video is given. We just gave the link, but then it is not redirecting. But actually in the PDF, it redirects, no? Generally.
In PDF viewer,
yeah.
it redirects, but when it's embedded after that, it doesn't redirect. It will just display what's there.
Yeah, so then we thought of removing that link because below we have the video for the
Or
same.
we can, or your instruction page, you can simply copy paste it in the text box. That's also fine.
Oh, yeah. Instead of putting it as a PDF.
Yeah, instead of putting it as a PDF. Because it's small, I think.
Yeah.
Some 5-6 lines. Yeah.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay. Yes. Anything else?
हेलो.
Yes.
हाँ सर. सर हम जब ऑनलाइन क्लास चालू रहता है सर, जब हम स्क्रीन शेयर करते हैं, अगर हमें वीडियो दिखाना है तो जब हम
मोबाइल पे गया, मोबाइल के थ्रू
करते हैं तब क्या होता है, कुछ बच्चों का आवाज मोबाइल थ्रू. यस सर. तो कुछ
Zoom यूज
बच्चों
करते
का,
क्या?
हाँ सर, हाँ, आवाज कम आता है और बहुत ही कम आता है और कुछ बच्चों को तो आता ही नहीं है. इसके लिए क्या सोल्यूशन है?
आपका आवाज नहीं आता या उनका आवाज आपको नहीं?
वीडियो जो हम वीडियो दिखाना चाहते हैं.
ओके, वीडियो दिखाना चाहते हैं. ओके.
उसका,
तो उसका आवाज नहीं जाता, ऐसा
हाँ,
आप बोल रहे हो ना?
आवाज नहीं जाता है.
ओके. तो उसके लिए एक्चुअली मोबाइल में जब आप स्क्रीन शेयर करते हो तो आपके पास एक ऑप्शन नहीं, मतलब जैसे डेस्कटॉप पे ऑप्शन.
You can share your screen, ना?
Yes sir, I am doing that. I'm sharing my screen.
कंप्यूटर में तो मुझे पता है यूज योर कंप्यूटर साउंड, वो अगर देते तो पूरा आवाज वॉइस क्लियरली.
कंप्यूटर पे हो जाता है इजीली, मोबाइल पे थोड़ा वो ये है.
One minute. Okay, so I'll share my screen. So in Zoom, when you want to share your videos, audio, so what you have to do, first in your Zoom app, open your Zoom app. Okay, so there's a tab of settings below, the next to meetings, contacts, and then settings. So in settings tab, there's again a tab of meeting. Okay, so in meeting tab, when you scroll down and go slowly, so there's if you're able to see my screen, there's a tab of use original sound. Okay, so currently it's enabled, normally it's disabled, so you have to first enable it from your side. Then let's say you are in a meeting. Currently you cannot start a meeting from
Can we check this? You join one session on this session on through this your mobile app and play some
so
video.
I'll leave and I'll join from my mobile app. 1 minute, because the sound will echo.
Here you mute, na? One place you mute, so there's no problem. You don't need to leave. Directly share your mobile screen. Rather than using any desk, directly share, yeah. just your screen is not, we are not seeing the screen, just for update. No, we are not able to, आवाज नहीं आ रहा अभी. No.
Sir, can I share my screen?
Never mind. पहले एक
मैम
बार.
आप मोबाइल का कोई वीडियो लगा दो, कोई भी मोबाइल में जो भी वीडियोस है, क्योंकि ये इंटरनेट ये है ना बेस्ट, तो शायद उससे.
No. It works on.
ओके, तुमने ये म्यूट किया है, एक काम करो, लैपटॉप का म्यूट करो और इसका आवाज चालू रखो. नहीं, अभी तो आवाज नहीं आ रहा. इसमें ये म्यूट मत करो ना, अनम्यूट दिस.
Okay,
See,
yeah. I got it. That might be the reason. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah.
अभी आवाज. Yes. Okay. ठीक है. And now you off that setting, वो जो setting में है, वो ऑफ करके प्ले करो एक बार.
Okay. 1 minute.
ओरिजिनल.
Yeah,
नहीं, मोबाइल का शेयरिंग चालू रखो ना.
No, I've disabled the setting and I'll again share. We have to do that.
नहीं, show. You don't stop your mobile share.
अगर हम शेयर स्क्रीन करते हैं ना, तो उधर एक ऑप्शन आता है कि यूज योर कंप्यूटर ऑडियो, तो उधर है ना, अगर मैंने म्यूट भी रख दिया और फिर भी वीडियो ऑन किया तो भी वीडियो का वॉइस जाता ही है.
हाँ, लेकिन ये मोबाइल में जरा अलग ऑप्शन है ना, मोबाइल इज डिफरेंट.
हाँ, राइट. ओके.
नहीं, अभी आवाज नहीं आ रहा.
नो
So I think
नहीं आ रहा.
अगर वो म्यूट है ना तो आवाज नहीं जाता, एंड अनम्यूट है
तो
तो आवाज.
अनम्यूट करके ही रखना है पड़ता है.
ईयरफोन्स भी नहीं पहन सकते. ईयरफोन्स पहनोगे तो नहीं जाता.
ओके, ईयरफोन में होगा तो भी नहीं जाता क्या?
नहीं जाता सर. If it's we are as a, if I'm wearing earphones, then my voice won't go.
Okay, so you need to be unmute and you need to be not wearing earphones, and वो आपको सेटिंग वहां से ऑन करना है. एक बार वो सेटिंग फिर से दिखा दो, कहाँ से वो अलाउ करना है. तो मोबाइल का स्क्रीन क्यों ऑफ कर रहे हो शेयरिंग?
It's going on. Switching it up. Not able to. Okay.
In settings, Zoom settings.
So if you're able to. Okay, मेरा Zoom दिख. Okay. So over here, before sharing, in more options, there's a tab of enable original sound. You have to click on enable original sound, and then share the screen. Let's say
वो हर बार करना पड़ेगा क्या? कि वो एक बार वो वहाँ पे सेटिंग में से
नहीं, हर टाइम नहीं, बस एक बार उसे एनेबल करना पड़ेगा शेयर करने से पहले.
वो जो सेटिंग्स में से ना, वो जो
सेटिंग्स में से भी और यहाँ पे मोर में से भी. सेटिंग्स
नहीं,
में
फिर से अभी जब भी शेयर करते हैं तभी भी करना पड़ता है शायद.
सेटिंग तो it's one time thing, you have to enable it, but whenever you start a meeting, you want to share the sound, you have to go to more and first again click on enable original
sound. Okay, तो एक बार, यानी इसका मतलब एक बार वहाँ पे सेटिंग में से तो करना ही है, एंड फिर यहाँ से भी वो जब मीटिंग चालू होगा तब एनेबल ओरिजिनल साउंड करना होगा, अगर आपको यूट्यूब या कोई वीडियो का साउंड शेयर करना हो तो. ठीक है, क्लियर है हुआ सबको? एक
Yes,
बार
sir.
ये
Yes, sir.
यहाँ से स्टॉप करके एक बार वो सेटिंग दिखा दो. End this meeting from here or from your mobile app. ओके ठीक है फाइन. तो तो पहले आपको क्या करना है, मोबाइल के सेटिंग्स में जाके वो वहां पे वो ओरिजिनल कौन सा था, वो ओरिजिनल विवा वो
Yes,
क्या
use
था वो?
original sound.
हाँ,
Use
use
original sound था.
वो आपको
Enable
एनेबल करना
original
है
sound.
और फिर वो मीटिंग में भी आपको जाके उसको एनेबल करना है ऐसा. ठीक है. तो यस, एनी अदर क्वेरीज? Okay then, we can conclude the session. So thank you all for participating in today's session. And so if you have any queries, you can write to us, you can get back to us.
Thank you, sir and ma'am.
Okay, fine then. Yes, we can end this meeting then. Thank you all.
Okay, thank you everyone for attending the session.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.